Hi, I'm Liz and welcome to the Isle of Smile, home of the Mubbles. I'm going to show you how to make a Valentine's pop-up card for Valentine's Day or for any other time of the year. So for this, you will need an A4 piece of paper, something to colour with. You can use crayons, pens, pencils, anything you've got. You might need a pencil and you need some scissors. Always be careful with scissors. You got that? Okay, let's get drawing. Okay, so we're going to make this card. As you can see, pops up like that. So you can write something on the front and then it goes whoop. If you want to make the Valentine card with me, go to themubbles.com and you'll see there's a place where you can actually download a template to make this card. And then you can print it out and just colour it in. But I'm going to show you how you can do it if you don't have the template, okay? Just to give you an idea about how you fold the card and the space that you need. Right, so we've got our A4 piece of paper here. So I'm going to use this template. Put that down there. So what you need to do is I'm going to just draw around the heart shape at the top. Oops. There we are, let's draw around it. Right, it'll all become clear. Put that to one side. So what we need to do is fold it in half, like that, so you've got it all runs up the centre. And then you take the bottom and we're going to fold it just to that line there. Like that. Now let's fold it in half again, just so you've got nice clear folds. And the idea is that this part of the heart is going to fold inside. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my scissors and I'm just going to cut. Always be careful with scissors, cut away from you. Like that. And then cut around. Little tip for when you're cutting, don't move the scissors, always move the paper. So you just hold your scissors in one place and it's you move the paper. You can always trim that up. So we're just making the top of the heart like that. Get rid of that. Now the idea is that we fold that over. And then we want to make the heart fold inside and not poke over the top there. Can you see? So I just need to move it down. You might need to adjust it a tiny little bit. So we're folding the card down and then you close it up. I'll do that again slowly, like that. There we go. You see that? We're just trying to make a fold there. So that folds inside the card. And you've got a nice fold there, all right? So now you've got your pop-up card. So what I'm going to do now, let's fill that in with the heart, put that to one side. So I'm just going to draw my heart shape all the way around. And then I'm going to draw another heart inside. Let's add a different colour now. different pink. Put that in the middle. You know how I like my dots. Okay, so we've drawn our heart. And then I'm just going to draw a berry there, like holding it. So we've got a nice space there. So you can use a pencil if you want and just sketch that out, but I'm just going to draw a berry straight away. So berry's got, there we are, little ears, and then we're going to draw 1, 2, 3. So it's almost like they're holding the heart. And then just go 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. There we go. Berry has got one small eye and then one big eye, and then little nose. Two teeth. Like that. Berry has a few spots. I can never remember the right places to put them. One there. One there. Changes every time, I'm not going to lie. Okay. Let's draw Berry. I've drawn, I don't know whether I'll draw her. I'm going to take my pen, a pink one, and just put a line all the way around, outside like that. Let's colour in Berry now. So once you've done that, now let's turn the card over. Just check it's, see, look, it's working. Whee, so that works really nicely. So if you want to remember, you've got to write something on the front. So that's the front. So I'm going to turn over. I'm just going to put a little heart there, like that. That's just to, honestly, the amount of times I've done this where you don't want to do it upside down. You want to open it up. So this is the front, okay, and we're writing everything up this end, and you know that's the back because it's got the little heart there. That's a little tip. And I'm just going to, and you don't want to draw it, if you're using these kind of pens, you can see how it goes through. I've got quite thin paper on this, so I don't want it to go through to the bottom. I'm doing this as a Valentine card, but you could just do it for a card to say thank you, or to somebody that you want to, who's been a really good friend or something like that. That would be good as well. And then I'm writing surprise. Dot, dot, dot. There we are. And I'm going to just use a pencil. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. Take this away. So you've got your front of the card like that. Just keep it nice and simple. Surprise. Or you don't actually have to write anything if you don't want to. Then you open it up. Pop. And there's Berry there. Let's just get a bit of shading. And we'll write love from question mark. And there you have it. That's a really quick, lovely Valentine card, or maybe a thank you card. So don't forget, go to themubbles.com and you can download the template for this card for free. Okay, and there it is. Our finished little Valentine card with Berry. Hey. Do this all day. Surprise! I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to get a card like this? When you make your cards, do send us pictures because we absolutely love to see it here on the Isle of Smile. So we really encourage you to get busy, get creative, and send us what you're doing. We want to know.